Welcome to Extra Stock YouTube channel. October Mutual Fund Holdings. 5.5% increase in mutual funds holdings for the month of October. 60 funds increased the holdings in Suzlon, of which 7 funds were not holding Suzlon for past 3 months. 10 funds reduced holdings in Suzlon. A total of 116 funds hold around 60 crore shares of Suzlon Energy. Mutual fund holdings change, an increase of 5.5% shows fund houses' confidence in the future of Suzlon for a medium and long term. Suzlon Energy Ltd has a market leader position with a 32% market share in the financial in 2024. The company has 20.8 gigawatts global installed wind energy capacity. The company secured a record 1.166 gigawatts wind order from NTPC Green, boosting its order book to over 5 gigawatts with firm financial backing. Acquiring Renault marks entry into multi-brand O&M, enhancing fleet size and profitability. Corporate and non-core asset sales yielded 440 Indian rupees crore. The Extra Stock YouTube channel provides educational content only and is not responsible for any financial decisions or investments made based on the information provided. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment choices.